If you are facing a DUI or DWI charge in Kansas City, you need strong representation. It is important to note the fact that the state of Missouri processes these offenses administratively, as well as criminally. Administrative actions differ from criminal or court actions, and if you are facing these types of charges, you should be aware of these differences. You will need an experienced DUI defense attorney to handle this. Administrative DUI action. Generally speaking, an administrative action relates to rules and regulations that government agencies make, enact, and enforce. Conversely, criminal or court actions relate to charges made by a particular state with the goal of enforcing a specific criminal law or statute within that state. The main difference between the two is where the action originates and who enforces it. With administrative actions, the originator and enforcer is a certain government agency, while with criminal or court actions, the originator and enforcer is the state itself. When it comes to the specifics of handling a DUI or DWI, there are a few key differences between the possible criminal and administrative actions that could be taken. If you are charged with a DUI or DWI, the criminal action taken will be as a result of the offense. According to the Missouri Department of Revenue, if you are convicted of an alcohol offense, the court sends a copy of the conviction to the department, and the proper points are assessed to your driver record. Any points accrued as a result could lead to a suspension or revocation of your driving privilege. You will also face an administrative action that is administered by the Missouri Department of Revenue. This is a separate action that will take place automatically, regardless of if the ticket you received is disposed of or reduced by the criminal court. This action requires that your driving privileges be suspended or revoked if you refuse to take a blood alcohol content test, or if you do take a test and it is discovered that your blood alcohol content is over the legal limit. The state Missouri law, gavel, and documents. Administrative action, notice of suspension. If an administrative action is being taken against you as a result of a DUI or DWI, you will receive a notice of suspension, revocation of driving privilege, also known as Form 2385. After you receive this notice, you have a 15-day window in which you may request an administrative hearing. If the hearing results in your drive-in,